Hi, this is Casey from Casey Boomer Tech, where we talk about everything tech and fun stuff related to boomers. Recently, I was outside filling the bird feeders, and I discovered that the clip that I was using to hold the bag a certain way just didn't make it. I don't know if you've ever had the problem with kitty litter or bird seed, or maybe the rock salt that you're using to salt the driveways, or whatever it is, even a bag of sugar. But nothing seems to hold the bag closed. Maybe you're using a clip like this, but it seems to pop right off or break. So I found a solution, and I want to talk to you about it. So what I'm talking about, I found a product by Handy Camel, small company. It holds a package of 4, and it's basically a lockable handle. So it's good for pet food, bird seed, frozen food, sugar bag clips, whatever. Basically, it's a heavy-duty closing clip. That not only that creates a handle, which makes it easy to handle the product. And I found it on Amazon. And which I'll take. So, like I said, I was looking for something that would solve this problem that I was having to hold these bags closed, because I'm tired of getting a mess. So I found this. It comes in a package of 4 different colors. It's relatively about 10 inches long, so it gets a good grip on it. Now, what's nice about it is inside of it slides open. It's got various grips in there to grab into the plastic or paper. And on top of that, over here, it has multiple settings or multiple places where it can lock onto, so you can get a good grasp on it. Because one of the things I can't stand is when you buy a large bag of bird seed or kitty litter or a big bag of sugar, and then you try to close it, but as you probably had the problem where it kind of just gets all over the floor. Or then if it's open, you go to use it again, and this, it's hard. Or the bird seed, if it hasn't been used for a while, it's starting to think. So I'm going to take it here. I'll give you a quick look here. And I'm going to, and you can see, it does a great job of holding it. And not only that, I have a carry handle. And you can adjust this so that you can take it off, put it back on again, so where the hole is open, so you can pour it and hold it. It makes it a lot easier when you're using a product. Little quick solution I found to doing things. So I hope that was helpful for you. Please like, share, and subscribe to the channel. I'm always looking for quick and easy solutions around the house, around the town, that makes things easy for you to do things. But anyway, until next time, you have a great day.